All in 6th class science we are going to discuss about the topic finding out whether the given object is a magnet or not. Suppose here imagine if they have given you three objects, object 1, object 2, object 3, and from these three objects if you want to find out which is a magnet or which is a magnetic material or which is a non-magnetic material, how to find out among these three, how to find out whether it is a magnet or a magnetic material or a non-magnetic material. For that we have to know few rules. First we will be knowing how to find out a magnet. If I have given you two objects, two substances, from those two substances, how are you going to find out which one is a magnet? For example, here I am taking a bar magnet. This is a bar magnet, and you all know for the bar magnet, here we will be having a north pole and here we will be having a south pole. So now we have an object here, unknown object. We don't know whether it is a magnet, magnetic substance or a non-magnetic substance. So I name it as object 1. So if you want to know if it is how to find out if it is a magnet or not. Object 1 you have to place here to the north pole. If you place object 1 to the north pole, in case if it is showing attraction, and the same object 1 if you place here, and the same object 1 if you place to the south pole, if it is showing repulsion, then you can say the given substance is a magnet. So how can you find whether the given substance is a magnet or not? An object, if it is attracted by one pole and if it is repelled by another pole, you know attraction means coming near to the magnet, repulsion means moving away from the magnet. So if an object is attracted by one pole and if it is repelled by other pole, then you can say that it is a magnet. Suppose if you want to find out from the given substance which is a magnetic substance. You all know what is a magnetic substance. Magnetic substances are nothing but the substances which are attracted by the magnet. They show attraction. When the magnet is near them, they show attraction. The substance which easily gets attracted by a magnet, that is magnetic substances. Iron, best example is iron. So iron is a magnetic substance. So if you want to find out, I gave you two objects and you don't know what is that. So from those two, if you want to find out what is a magnetic substance, how to find out that? Again say, we have to take a bar magnet. You all know this is a north pole and south pole. And this is object 1. This is object 1. I asked you, find out whether it is a magnetic substance or not. So you have to place the magnetic substance or object near the north pole. If it is showing attraction, note down, it is showing attraction. And the same object 1 here also you have to place. Here also it has to show attraction. In both the poles, if it is showing attraction, then you can say the given object is a magnetic substance. Okay? If an object is attracted by both the poles, then you can say the given object is a magnetic substance. Okay? It should not repel both the sides. It has to attract. Then only you can say the given substance is a magnetic substance. And how to find out a non-magnetic substance? Same, you have to take a bar magnet and you know it is a north pole and south pole. First you should know what is non-magnetic substances. Non-magnetic substances means the substance which will not be attracted nor repelled. It will not show attraction. It will not show repulsion also. That type of substance you call it as non-magnetic substances. For example, wood. Here we can say wood is a non-magnetic substances. When you place wood near the magnet, it will not show attraction. It will not even show repulsion. So we have to take a bar magnet, north pole and south pole. Object, we have to find out whether this object is a non-magnetic substance or not. So this is a given object for us. Now what I'll do, I'll take this object and I'll place near the north pole. Suppose it is showing it is not showing anything. No attraction, no repulsion. No attraction, no repulsion. Here. Then I'll place the object here. Again, no attraction, no repulsion. If there is no attraction, no repulsion, then the substance or the object is a non-magnetic substance or a non-magnetic object. Okay. So here we have learned how to find out a magnet, how to find out magnetic substance, and how to find out a non-magnetic substance. Now here next topic we are going to learn how to make our own magnet. You all know we people will be buying magnets from the shops, etc. But if you want to prepare your own magnet, how to prepare your own magnet? For this they have given a small activity. We will be seeing that activity. First you have to take an iron nail and place it on a table. You all know this is iron nail which we will be using for wall hangings and all. So you have to take this iron nail, place it on the table. And you have to take one magnet, bar magnet. Here you can take bar magnet. Then what you have to do now, without lifting the bar magnet, you have to rub it on the iron nail. So from here you have to start. From here you have to start. Okay. You have to rub the magnet on the iron nail. Here you should lift. Here you have to lift up. Again you have to place here. Again you have to rub it on the iron nail. You should not stop. And in between also you should not lift the hand. Continuously. If you start here. If you start here, you have to end rubbing here only. You have to bring it like this. Here at the end point you can lift. At the end point you can lift your hand. Again you have to come to the starting point. Again you have to do. You should not do reverse. Okay. Starting point you have to start. This is starting point. You have to rub in this way. End point you have to stop. Again you have to lift your hand and you have to place it on the starting point. So always you have to move the magnet in one direction only. Okay, once like this and one more time like this, you should not move the magnet. Always it should be in this direction only. Okay. Now you have to repeat this rubbing process like for 20 to 30 times. 20 to 30 times you have to do this continuously without stopping. Then what you will be finding is you can get any iron fillings in your home, stapler pins, safety pins, okay, any iron things will be there, no? So you have to get those iron things and you have to place it to the nail. You place here to the nail. What happens, those will be attracted by this iron nail. See here, this is iron nail. It is not a magnet. But what we have done, we took a bar magnet and we made this iron nail. We turned this iron nail into a magnet. If you bring safety pins, all pins, stapler pins, any iron material, those iron nail is an iron nail, but also the iron substances what you have bought will be attracted by this iron nail. Understood? So here what we have done is we have changed the iron nail into a magnet with the help of one bar magnet. So like this you can prepare your own magnet. So this is all about today's class. In the next class we are going to discuss about next topic.